Hey, what it does, what it does, man. Back at y'all with a quick one. January 25th, my baby boy just turned 13. That's really the main reason for this video, because now you can make his own damn money and get your own PlayStation gift cards. Check it out, GG2U.org. You know what I mean? Earn rewards for taking surveys, playing games, watching videos, and more. Our exciting new reward program will give you GG2U coins for doing very easy things like trying out new games and answering quick survey questions. You can choose to be paid, PayPal, Bitcoin, or e-gift cards. That's what's up. They say our surveys and offer walls offer will usually give you among the best payout rates in the entire industry, a huge 65 to 85%, whereas most of our competitors only pass along 40 to 60% to their members. Sign up now, see for yourself how much more you can earn with GG2U, and we'll give you $1 just for signing up. So that's all you got to do right here. Name, email address, username, password, what country you're from. What country you from, y'all probably wondering. Let you see the site. Easy ways to earn. You know what I mean? You can also promote, get 5%. Hence why I'm promoting, which means I'm going to make this video January 25th, 2021. Somebody might watch it in 2025, and I could still be getting paid. And that's what's up. If you have any questions before you decide to sign up, these are the frequently most asked ones. And yes, they are worldwide. United States, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, United Kingdom, Germany, Norway, Sweden, Switzerland, Denmark, Austria, Finland, Netherlands, Ireland, Spain, France, Italy, Belgium, Japan, and a lot more countries. So this is worldwide. Come get your money on. Show you the inside real quick, and then I'll let you do you. See, they gave me my $1, and I ran a couple videos. This is it. This is where you're going to come to. Gaming offers, special offers, surveys, videos. I do videos. I'll let a video for food cooking just run all day. That's what I'm going to do while I watch TV and just earn this quick money. Autoplay videos. Cash out at $7. It's Gucci. Click on food. Let me scroll. I'm going to show y'all a bonus too. Make sure that you get your chips. The Panda. See, they're powered by Hideout TV. I'm literally already logged in. If I wasn't logged in, let me show you something real quick. Now you can click on videos. You can choose all these channels. Log in. But when you click your rewards, it's going to come up as 0 because you're not logged in as a person making any money. See? Nothing's. You're not earning anything. So then once I log in, Chinese style pork asado might be nice. Now it shows my points. And you're good to go. Just let this run. Let this just go. Go on about your business. You're done. Unless you like completing surveys or offers, get your money up faster, cash out faster. It's completely up to you. GG2U.org. Come get your free money, man. It's your boy Sin. As always, stay blessed, stay safe. One love. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I'm gone.